Iconic Duos Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this trending sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to viral now from highlight. So here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers and you can check these too. So you have to click until you find the desired sticker. There we have it guys, iconic duos. So from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So from here you have to click on the upload and choose a photo that you think is proper for the video. So I will go with this picture right here, and you can make your picture bigger or smaller using your two fingers, and you can do the same thing with the sticker and place it where you want. Once you're happy with it, you have to click on the share to button and then click share to your story and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.